Are you tired of receiving marketing emails from Trello? Is your inbox constantly being filled with all of those emails? I know that this can get really annoying. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off those marketing emails that are coming into your inbox and just piling you up. So how do you do that? Once you're inside Trello, guys, you want to click your profile on the upper right hand side and go into your settings. Now, if you scroll down here under your settings section, you'll have a section called marketing emails. And if you click and manage these preferences here, it's going to take you into your Atlassian account. This is where it's been managed. Now, I want to mention this. With Trello, Trello is part of Atlassian. So you need an Atlassian account to be able to manage most things from Trello. Yes, you can do a lot of things within the dashboard, but if you want to manage your account details and so forth, or anything related to your account, this is most likely done within your Atlassian. And don't forget that Atlassian is part of a wide scope of other applications such as status page, such as Jira, Jira Service Management, and so much more. So once you're inside your guys and you have those different newsletter sections, you can just uncheck the ones that you don't want. If you don't want to receive anything, just simply uncheck them. And that's it. Once you uncheck them, you will no longer receive emails or marketing emails for these. And that's all there is to it. Just keep in mind that if you're using other Atlassian products or applications, you will no longer receive those marketing emails as well. So it's really up to you. So keep these in mind and ensure that you deselect the ones that you really don't want to know about. But that's all there is to it.